Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Payal Sehgal. Today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you all can make a perfect vitamin C boost serum at home. So in this tutorial you will see how very easily you can make an amazing vitamin C boost serum with lemon zest. This vitamin C serum has lemon as a main ingredient and few more ingredients. Let's take a quick look how we all can make this amazing vitamin C boost serum at home. These are all the ingredients that you need to make vitamin C boost serum at home. You need 2 lemon for dried lemon zest and 2 fresh lemon for fresh lemon zest. Just dry one set of lemon zest for one day and use one set of other lemon zest fresh. The first thing you need is lemon zest, both dried and fresh. So start mixing the fresh and the dried lemon zest together and add rose water. After you add the rose water, add some water till the lemon zest is dipped in it. You will see I'm mixing it well and I'll add water. That is this much water. See, the lemon zest is soaked well in water. Let it soak for 2 hours. Next is you take a pan, add water and place the mixture in a bowl and heat it for 25 minutes. The same way I'm doing. Now strain the lemon zest. You'll get a beautiful liquid when you strain it. Now start adding aloe vera gel in the lemon zest liquid. Add aloe vera gel in the liquid and keep mixing it. There should be no lumps and you have to mix it after adding each and every spoon. This is how the mixture looks like, and mixing is very important. That's why I'm mixing it again and again. Next is lemon juice. We will add 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice in the mixture. The liquid will change the color a bit, and once you add the right quantity of lemon juice, you have to mix it well, really well. See how the color has changed, and mixture looks like this. It's beautiful. Now we are adding olive oil in the mixture. And again we start mixing it well. This is how the mixture will look like. It looks really beautiful. Next we add vitamin E capsule, 2 vitamin E capsules in the same mixture, and we mix again. This is how the final product will look like, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Now I'm gonna try it on my hand and show you how beautiful it is. It is full of vitamin C and it's really nourishing, and it gives a very natural glow. See the glow. Now you take an empty container and place it in the empty container, and here organic vitamin C serum is ready to use. So here I present you all my very first batch of vitamin C boost serum which I made, and I'm gonna apply it in front of you and show you how it looks and feels when you apply this on your face. This is how my skin looks like right now. It's glowing and it doesn't feel oily at all. This vitamin C boost serum is so much rich in vitamin C, which is really good for your skin this monsoon. Vitamin C is very important for our skin, and this is pure organic vitamin C, which you'll be applying it on your face, and you can make this serum very easily at home, and it's amazing for your skin. I really recommend you all should definitely try. It's a Chloe must try vitamin C serum. You should definitely try this recipe and tell me how it feels, how it worked for you. I'll be waiting. Please comment in the section down below and let me know how this serum works for you. For more interesting DIY skincare routines, makeup hacks and makeup tutorials, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment. I'll be back next time. Till then, you all stay home, stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.